Pro tip number 8 to be the stellar you in 2020 and beyond. How to set yourself up for success to make sure that you're well on your path to getting what you set out for in the new year. So what do you do when you see a TV show you don't, or you hear a song you don't like, or you see a post you don't like? You change it, you flip past it, and you focus on that which is interesting to you. Do the same thing for your actual life and start tuning into things that support your idea or your goals. So that may come in the form of listening to more podcasts that are more uplifting, watching Netflix documentaries that support, that tell the stories of incredible people who overcame the odds. That may even include getting a new circle of friends. For example, in the Canary Islands, it's very easy to get around groups of people who focus on why it's difficult to live here. It is challenging. It's not that easy to live here. And so I applaud everyone who has stayed and has made it work here, because it's not easy. But at the same time, if we're always hearing why it's hard and why this can't be done and why you shouldn't even try, then we're not even going to try, and we're just going to make it more difficult. So tune into different things that are going to support your ideas, are going to push you forward, that's going to give you that hope and give you that ability to stay on track to being the stellar you in 2020.